Let's see how to use the Phygital Plus website to create a video for a YouTube channel. For this example, the channel is Home Design Inspiration. Phygital Plus is a website that connects different AI tools in one place, allowing you to create whatever you like in a short time without paying for each tool separately. This saves time when you need to use different tools to create your content, and you also save time by not needing to download and upload the images again and again. I bought this tool from AppSumo. You have the link in the description. You get credits to use in the tool when you buy it. Then you can use the different tools with the credits, so you don't need to decide which tool to pay for. You have them all. After logging in, on the left side, you have all the tools ready for you. They are organized by type, like images, video, audio, etc. I asked ChatGPT to help me with the prompts and workflow after I gave it the options of the AI from Phygital Plus. It's important to do something similar if you want to save credits. In other videos in this series, I show how to use the other tools. For this example, we are going to use GPT image for the design, Sora 2 to create a video from that image, and the voice creation tool for the narration of the video. Starting with GPT image, I add the prompt and change the aspect ratio to horizontal video to make it good for YouTube. Then you can see that the number of credits used for this generation changes from 60 to 70. Every time you use any of the tools, you see the credits on the tool, but you can also see them on the node in the canvas where you create the content. When you change the settings from the default, it might change the number of credits used. There are other settings you can change, but I'll leave it as is. Next, I click the Generate button to create the image. I connect the image to the video generation. For the video, I use Sora 2, and I put in the prompt box the description I got from ChatGPT. In the settings, you can change the length of the video, but it costs more to generate a longer one, so I keep it at 4 seconds. But you can definitely use the longer version. I just need it for this video, so I'm not going to use it. Then I click Generate. It takes longer than the image to generate. After that, it creates the video. It's a nice video, and if I had made it longer, I probably would have gotten more views on this living room. Now, the last part of the video is to generate the voiceover. I use the voiceover tool from the options they have on the left. They don't have too many audio tools. For the voice, you have 2 prompt boxes. The first one is for instructions, where you can set the kind of voice and how you want it to sound. In the second box, you write the text for the video. I also got this text from ChatGPT. Next, I click Generate. You can't really hear the voiceover options before it generates the voiceover. After it finishes generating, you get 3 options, and you can hear them now.
His modern cozy living room features minimalist furniture.
His modern cozy living room features minimalist furniture.
His modern cozy living room features minimalist furniture, warm lighting.
This is a terrible voiceover, so I'm definitely not going to use this tool for now until it becomes more realistic. Now I need to download all of the generated files. Just hover over each one, and you can see the Save button. It will download to your computer. They don't have a video editing option on Phygital Plus, so I go to Canva, where you can edit for free. It's just to connect the audio with the video. First, I chose to create a horizontal video. Then I click Upload and upload both files. After uploading, I put the video in the canvas and stretched it to fill the whole page. To find the audio, I changed the tab on the left to Audio, and there it is. The audio is 6 seconds, and the video is 4, so they're not the same length. To make them fit, I duplicate the video and then cut the end. You can also make the video slower by changing its speed. Click on the video, then click the Edit button at the top. On the left side, you'll see the option to change the speed to make it fit. I can also add some effects at the end. I added another page and made it black by clicking on the color at the top and choosing black from the left. Then I click in the middle between the pages and choose transitions. Choose something you like and adjust it however you want. Now you have a transition to the ending. The next step is to download it to your computer by clicking on Share and then Download. Now you have the video. You can use Canva for free for this simple video editing. Now back to Phygital Plus. ChatGPT told me I can also use it to create thumbnails for the video. I use Crea for the thumbnail from the chat recommendation, and I want to use the image I generated before, so I connect both nodes together by moving the line between the orange dots, and added the prompt from ChatGPT. After it generated the thumbnail, the text looked weird, So if you want to create thumbnails with Dream, don't include the text. Add that yourself later on a website like Canva. Now that I have all the pieces together, I can upload it to my YouTube channel like I do for every video. If you want to learn more about Phygital Plus, click on this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.